Sanbonani, today's word is taken from the book of Matthew 5, verse 16. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So this verse reminds us of what individually our lives are meant to reflect something greater than ourselves. Uma lithi let your light shine. This is not about seeking attention, but it's about living in a way that naturally shows kindness, honesty, and ukuthanda abanye abantu. Empilweni nje, your light shines through simple things, njengokuthi usize umuntu without expecting anything back from them, choosing integrity even when it's difficult, speaking words that uplift others instead of tearing them down. Lezi zinto ezincane nje ezingabukeka zijwayelekile, but they leave an everlasting impact on others. You may not know ukuthi ubani okubhekile who might be encouraged by the way that you live. Sometimes your quiet consistency and good character can give someone ithemba and remind them that goodness still exists la empilweni, because isikhathi esiningi siyasibona sengathi ububi osebubuningi kunobuhle. So somewhere you are at school, mhlambe usemsebenzini, usekhaya, let that light shine. Not for recognition nokushayela izandla, but for ukuthi abantu babone uNkulunkulu kuwena. Nokuthi babone ukuthi there is something meaningful that is actually important and that can draw them closer to what is right and true ngawe. So just be the light and have a wonderful day.